Hey lovely fan, welcome to my cooking channel. You already know what it is now. Today's recipe is chicken curry sauce or vegetable chicken curry sauce, so whichever one you call it. So I have my chicken and my vegetables already, so I'm going to set it aside and separate my carrot and just go ahead and scrape it. So these are the major ingredients for this recipe: carrot, my green, my yellow and my red bell peppers, also my chicken. So I'll continue scraping my carrot while I share with you the health benefit of eating this chicken curry sauce. It boosts your metabolism, which can help the body burn more calories. So also it contains a lot of minerals and nutrients due to the vegetable in it. So for my chicken, I'll just go ahead to marinate it with some corn flour, some all-purpose seasoning, some seasoning cubes, some cayenne pepper, some curry, and also my light soy sauce, dark soy sauce as well, and also some sesame oil, so that everything can just marry together. I'll give that a quick mix and then cover and set it aside. You can choose to use a chicken breast for this recipe if that is what you have, and also you can add some blended ginger and garlic too if you have that, but I'm not here to stress on it as well, so it's completely optional. Next up is my puree. I'll go in with some dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some light soy sauce, and some corn flour. The corn flour is between 1 to 2 tablespoons. I mix it up together and then adjusted it with a little bit of water. And then next up is my pepper, the green, yellow and red bell pepper. All these peppers are rich in vitamins and also low in calories, making them excellent for your health. So I'm just going to remove all the seed because we don't want that, and go ahead to cut them into cube shape. Here I'm done with the pepper, and I will just go ahead to cut my carrot too into my desired shape. I'm using this particular cutter because I like the shape that it's given, and I just want to spice things up, and also putting my culinary acts into practice. So I'm done with all the prepping and all that, so I go ahead and heat up a pan on fire and pour in some vegetable oil. I heat it up a bit and then go in with my chicken. I'm supposed to do this in batches, but since my pan can take all, so I'll just go ahead and add all my chicken. I made my chicken fry for some minutes before packing them out, but not completely dry because I'm still taking it back to the fire. I'm using same pan. I just drain out my oil and added a fresh oil. So I'm going to saute my vegetables. First I go in with my onions. I stir that up a little bit and then go in with some carrots, yeah, and give that a quick stir again. And then I went ahead to add my curry powder, some paprika. I added some seasoning cubes to taste and just stir that a little bit and then go ahead with my vegetable. I'm giving that another quick stir and then cover and allow it to just release its flavor. After that, I'll go in with some water and just stir that up. Please ensure that you always taste your meal in order to adjust your seasoning if need be. So I'll just cover that up and bring it to a boil. Thereafter, I go in with my puri. At this stage, your food is already ready. Please don't overcook your vegetables so that it will not lose its nutrients. So I just stir everything up together to get a very good mix and just leave it, cover it, and then leave it on the fire for just 1 minute. So guys, my sauce is ready. I'll be pairing this with my white carrot rice to enjoy it. And thank you guys for watching my video up to this moment. Please do not forget to like, comment, and also share this video. I do hope you try out this recipe too, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.